My name is Duncan Unsworth. I'm the owner of Peninsula Poultry Appliances, also known as PPA. PPA has been in existence in 1966, and we supply a full range of products to both the broiler industry and the layer industry throughout Southern Africa. To provide a better service, we have branches in Gauteng, in Johannesburg, and in KwaZulu-Natal and Pietermaritzburg. We offer great support from our suppliers of all equipment from all around the world and from our well-trained local people that work for both Peninsula Poultry and existing technicians that are well-trained by SCOVE. And now I'm going to show you a good example of both a layer farm and a broiler farm where we supplied all the equipment. Okay, here we are with a typical cage battery system in South Africa. This house has 6 tiers and it has about 40,000 birds in it. The house is fully climate controlled, so we get pretty hot in this area, up to 45 degrees, and any day that you would come in here the temperature would be, say, back to about 26 degrees. These cages come from Europe, and farm is very happy. We are at a farm here today, which is one of the better farms in the country. Peninsula Poultry Appliances supplied all the equipment. It was designed by us. It's a panel house, which we brought the concept to South Africa, and this is all equipped by Peninsula Poultry Appliances. Thank you very much for allowing us to come here today. I would just like you to go through your system and show us your computer and have a look inside your chicken shed. So Ruben, how are things looking on your crop today?
This is a SCOVE controller DOL 339 model. Then it controls the pressure and the ventilation, the heaters, the requirements on percentage. Then it shows the front zone temperature and the rear zone temperature and the outside temperature, then which is balanced it with inside temperature. You can measure also the Pascal. It can also weigh the birds. Then it can also control the lights when the birds are sleeping and when they wake up.
So how do you find it? Is it easy to use?
It's easy to use, and you have no many things to change every day because you set your graphs before any batch started.
Right now we're inside a SCOVE ventilated house. This is a panel house, and as you can see, it's got a smooth ceiling, well insulated walls. And I'd just like to go through some of the equipment. Well, first of all, you can see the SCOVE inlets down there. At the moment, these chickens are 22 days of old. They're about 90 grams overweight, according to the manager. And you can see that the SCOVE vents are all the way down the house on either side. So the point is here to get the air to the middle of the house and to mix properly, and later on when the chickens get bigger and we might get a warm day or so, the tunnel fans will come on and we'll go into tunnel ventilation. But right now we're in cross ventilation. Something about the equipment. The feeder lines are from Italy, from Kodaf. We have many of these lines in South Africa today, and they're all working very good. The Plasson nipple, we think, is the answer to many of the good weights and the good results we're getting. It's a high flow nipple, which we say is essential. The heating system is from America. It's a super saver and it runs on gas. A lot of people today are going for coal, but down in the Cape here there's not too much coal around, so we use gas and it works very well. There's something about the rack and pinion. The rack and pinion door, which is down the side of the shed there, it opens up when we need more air in the house, when the capacity that the inlets are giving can't give enough, and then the rack and pinion door opens. We're getting great results virtually everywhere we put in these systems, and we think it's a well-designed house. The equipment works fantastically well, and the results are showing for itself. So you've seen today one of our more beautiful farms. We have many farms like this, and we're proud of these farms. However, it's taken a lot of training and advice from people that we work with from all around the world. And today we have many SCOV-trained electricians and people working for PPA that are highly trained to get the results like you've seen on this farm. And I can assure you that PPA will give you the service that you require to be successful with your broiler operations.